Hello, my dear friend. Tonight, I want to talk about something very special. It is about friendship, but not friendship with other people. It is about friendship with yourself. Yes, you can be your own best friend. And when you learn how to do this, your heart becomes lighter, your life becomes brighter, and your sleep becomes more peaceful. So tonight, let us explore together, what does it mean to be your own best friend? And how can you start living this truth? Think about your best friend, or imagine someone who truly cares for you. What do? They listen to you. They support you. They accept you. They forgive you. They cheer for you. They love you, even when you make mistakes. Now imagine, what if you treated yourself the same way? What if you became that kind of friend for your own heart? Many times, we are not kind to ourselves. We say harsh words inside our heads. We judge ourselves. We tell ourselves we are not good enough. We become our own enemy. But here is the truth. You cannot run away from yourself. You live with yourself every day. So why not live in peace? Why not be your own best friend? Let me share a story with you. A traveler was walking through the desert. The sun was hot. The road was long. The traveler felt tired and lonely. At one point, he sat down and cried. He wished for a friend to comfort him, but no one came. Then he remembered his teacher's words, "Be your own best friend." So he spoke to himself gently. It's okay. You are tired, but you are strong. You are not alone because you have yourself. Stand up, my friend. Let's walk together. He smiled through his tears. He stood up, and step by step, he continued his journey. You see, the traveler discovered a secret. When you are your own best friend, you are never truly alone. Let us try something simple together. Take a slow breath in. Exhale gently. Now, place your hand on your heart and whisper softly, "I am here for you." Another deep breath. Say again, "I will take care of you." One more slow breath. Say, "I am my own best friend." Here are some gentle ways. 1. Listen to yourself. When you feel sad, don't ignore it. Ask yourself, what do I need right now? 2. Speak kindly. Use gentle words inside your mind. Say things like, "I'm proud of you," or "You did your best today." 3. Forgive yourself. Best friends forgive mistakes. You can forgive yourself too. 4. Celebrate yourself. Notice your small wins. Smile at your progress. Say, "Well done, my friend." Repeat after me, slowly and gently. I am kind to myself. I speak to myself with love. I forgive myself. I support myself. I am my own best friend. Feel the warmth of these words. Let them sink into your heart. Inside every person, there are two voices. One voice is harsh. It says, "You are not good enough. You failed." The other voice is gentle. It says, "It's okay. You tried. You are learning." Which voice will you choose? If you choose the gentle one, you are being your own best friend. Close your eyes. Imagine you are sitting on a bench. Next to you is your best friend. But this friend looks exactly like you. They smile at you. They hold your hand. Now imagine they say, "I believe in you. I accept you. I love you." Feel their warmth. Feel their love. That friend is you. That friend will never leave you. When you are your own best friend, you do not feel so lonely. You do not depend too much on others. You find peace inside yourself. And when you love yourself, it becomes easier to love others because your heart is full, and a full heart gives freely. Best friends care for each other. They tell you to rest when you are tired. So tonight, be that friend for yourself. Tell yourself softly, "You worked hard today. Now it's time to rest. Sleep well, dear friend." You are not your enemy. You are not against yourself. You are your own ally, your own helper, your own best friend. So tonight, let the inner enemy go. Let go of harsh words. Let go of heavy guilt. Let go of cruel judgment. Replace them with gentle words. Replace them with kindness. Replace them with love. Tomorrow, when you wake up, look in the mirror. Smile gently. Say, "Good morning, my best friend." During the day, whenever you feel stress, pause and whisper, "I am here for you." At night, before you sleep, say, "Thank you, my friend, for being with me today." This practice will change your heart. It will bring more peace. It will bring more joy. There was a little boy who felt lonely. He wanted a friend, but no one played with him. One day, he noticed his shadow. The boy laughed. "My shadow is always with me. It runs with me. It dances with me. It never leaves me." From that day, the boy felt less lonely. He realized he already had a friend, his own self. And just like that boy, you also have yourself. Always. Before we close, let us say these words again. I am gentle with myself. I support myself. I forgive myself. I am proud of myself. I am my own best friend. Take one last deep breath. Exhale slowly.